Welcome guys. Everybody talks about how to be successful, but very few know how to achieve everything they want. You might be bored after watching tons of success strategy, but in this video I am not going to share any success strategy. There are only 6 inherent enemies of any human being which are holding him back to achieve everything he wants. These inherent enemies are: the first one is lust. Sex in the body is okay, but when it enters your mind or brain, your thoughts start to become polluted. Second one is anger. Anger for a good cause is fine, but when it becomes destructive, it starts to ruin you. Third one is greed. Try to differentiate between necessity and greed. Greed makes your life unhappy. Fourth one is drug. Drug addiction is responsible for both of your physical and mental illness. Financial instability comes. Fifth one is delusion. Let go of delusion to worldly things. Too much attachment to any worldly thing will be the cause of your pain later. And the last one is ego. This one is present almost in everyone, be it a little or a lot. Self-ego is the cause of downfall. Anyone in this world is just a victim of any of these 6 enemies. Try to figure these out within you. You will surely find these out. To achieve everything you want, you have to dominate over these 6 inherent enemies. Try to get rid of yourself from these and conquer yourself first. Conquering yourself should be your first action, because the biggest enemy of you is yourself. When iron rusts, it begins to corrode. Surprisingly, this rust is the product of iron itself. All these inherent enemies are just like rust. Try to remove all these rusts every day and make actions to achieve everything you want in your life. Thank you for watching this.